Hi, everybody. Let's go over the plan for the day today. You should have Atom Builder that you should have submitted. It is due today. Please make sure that you submit that assignment in Canvas. You're going to receive a copy of the study guide today for Friday's assessment. We're going to take knowledge check number 2. You have a reading on the periodic table. And then at the end of the period, you have questions you need to answer about that reading. Those questions will be due tomorrow. In Canvas, in Outcome 3, in Study Guides, this is the study guide that you are responsible for Friday's test. You should receive a paper copy from the sub. The test is all multiple choice. It will be 40 points. It will be your first grade of third quarter. You only get to use your paper periodic table. There are no notes for this test, so just the periodic table and your test. If you have any questions, I will be back on Wednesday. Back to Canvas, Outcome 3, periodic table. Today's lesson is January 30th. It's an introduction to the periodic table. First thing you need to do is take Adam's knowledge check number 2. Our final knowledge check will be on Thursday, the day before we take the test. So remember, knowledge check's never for a grade. There's a periodic table reading in box number 2 in Canvas. You should get a paper copy of the reading from the sub. The sub will read to you until there are 15 minutes left in the period. There is no annotating that needs to be done today. All you need to do is sit and listen, because in box number 3 in today's lesson in Canvas, you have periodic table reading questions. So let's take a look at those. I'll do modules. There we go. So 5 points. Says, what is the difference between an atom and an element? About how many known elements are in the periodic table. Elements are arranged in the periodic table based on their blank. What do we call rows of the periodic table? What are the columns of the periodic table? All elements in the same period have what in common? All elements in the same group have what in common? Why are hydrogen and helium special elements? What are families? And what are the 5 families found in the periodic table? All of those can be found in your reading. So, at the end of the period, please make sure you have 4 periodic tables at your group. Your reading goes with you. Make sure you submit your questions if they are finished. Don't forget about your Atom Builder from Friday, and those periodic table reading questions will be due tomorrow. I'll be available via email. If you have any questions, you can email me. Thanks. Good luck.